Voted Best Overall Water Test Kit by Good Housekeeping Institute, New York, the Safe Home Ultimate Water Quality Test Kit also earned a seal of approval from the New York Times. If your water exceeds the federal maximum contamination limits set by the EPA for human consumption, Safe Home Ultimate accurately tests the water and provides detailed results. Safe Home only tests over 200 water parameters at EPA-certified labs to guarantee the most accurate results. The Safe Home Water Testing Kit includes 7 individually labeled vessels. Fill the vessels, place them in the included packaging, attach the pre-addressed label, and off to the lab your water goes. Once received at the lab, Safe Home scientists test the water for 7 non-carbon compounds, hardness, color, density, 31 metals, and over 50 volatile organic compounds. Dangerous and unstable chemicals. Water test results are sent to any of your electronic devices within 7 to 10 business days post-test. The pros are over 150 years of combined water testing experience, exclusive contaminant database, guaranteed on-time results, or it's free. The cons are delayed customer support responses.